Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at progressions for the cartwheel. Alright, so looking at stage one, I want you guys to get on a line. It's going to really help in the beginning. So my feet are placing on the line. I'm facing one direction. I'm going to place my hand down behind me. So left hand first, right hand, step, and then step back to that starting position. Show you again. We go place the hand, left, right, right, left with the feet, back to that starting position. Make sure you're working on both sides. So we reach back, right, left, left, right, and back up. Stage two, we want to skip through that position. So we start in the same position, place our hands back behind us, behind the line, and we want to skip through. So still not inverted. The feet stay nice and close to the ground. Stage three, we want to start to lift the legs up a little higher. So again, the hands go back, but we kick the legs up. We try to place the legs back on the line. And again, we try to kick a little higher, making sure we've got straight arms and pushing away from the ground. Once we've mastered that, we can start to bring the hands in a little closer. So I'm going to give you three progressions now. So starting progression would be like back here somewhere. Once you get comfortable with that, you can go a little closer. And eventually, we start to kick the legs directly over, place the hands on the line, and then the feet land on the line as well. Boom.